Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup SmartThings device data locally, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your SmartThings device data locally, start by ensuring your SmartThings app is updated to the latest version. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Devices to view all the devices connected to your SmartThings account. Choose the device you want to backup from the list presented. Tap on the device to open its details page. Look for the option labeled Settings in the device details. Select Settings to access additional device options. Now, locate the Export Data or Backup option within the Settings menu. Tap on Export Data to begin the backup process. The app may prompt you to choose a location to save the backup file. Select a convenient location on your device or an external storage option. Once the file location is selected, confirm the backup process. The SmartThings app will start exporting your device data. This may take a few moments depending on the amount of data. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. It's advisable to check the location you saved the backup file to confirm it is there. For added security, consider making multiple copies of the backup file. With your data backed up locally, you can now restore it when needed. To restore the data, repeat the process by selecting the Import Data option. Choose the backup file you created previously. Confirm the restoration process when prompted by the app. Review your device settings to ensure everything is as expected after the restoration. You've successfully backed up your SmartThings device data locally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.